Oh, this is going to be so awkward, but we're doing this. Hello, friend. Welcome to Roxana Reed Media. Today's video is going to be quite rudely interrupted by loads of school kids shouting in the distance. So apologies for that. Today's video is going to be very, very different from my usual videos. Usually I do sort of, I don't know, tips, tricks, tutorials kind of videos. That's what I've ended up doing. And today I just want to have more of a conversation with you about what it means to be a YouTuber, what it means to be a content creator, a videographer, what it means to talk to a camera, because it is kind of weird. This video is going to be a one-take vlog, or take one vlog, as you may have noticed. I'm not editing anything. Sorry if the exposure goes crazy. The sun's coming in and out like nobody's business because it's autumn in England and the school's just gone, but the school's just having break or something. But I'm going to keep going. So this one take vlog was inspired by another YouTuber, another content creator called Eric Wen, who I found through the No Small creator movement. Should I stop walking? Because I think I'm getting out of breath and it's really windy. But yeah, I'll talk about him in just a moment. And the reason why I wanted to do this is because the videos that I've put out, I am proud of. I am happy with them. I loved making them. I loved editing them. Really loved editing them. My gosh, I feel like it's going to rain. It's freezing. But I feel like the person, when I watch those videos back, I feel like that person is not really me. That sun's in my eyes. Let's turn around this way. Is that better? I don't know. I feel like the person in those videos is not really me, and perhaps this hopefully is a bit more me. So I think part of the reason for that is I'm actually an online English teacher. I teach EFL, English as a foreign language. And so whenever I'm in front of a camera, whenever I'm sat down in front of a screen essentially talking to myself, not knowing if anybody's going to respond, but hoping that they will respond, it's when I'm teaching. And when I'm teaching, obviously I'm a little bit different from my usual like flappy self. I still talk with my hands a lot, but I try to be a bit more professional. I try to be a bit more concise. I try to obviously like speak clearly. And I feel like I even have a different voice, like I do have a teaching voice. And that ends up coming through on the YouTube videos, and it's kind of boring. Like, I don't want to be like that. I've seen so many videos, like, God, I watch so much YouTube. I've seen so many videos of kind of what I've done, like, you know, my last video, or whenever I publish this, the video before was about 5 simple cuts, and I've seen videos talking about cuts, I've seen videos talking about editing, and they do a lot of the talking head videos, and they're amazing, and the people who present them are amazing and somehow show their personality, whereas I am struggling to do like a tutorial video showing my personality. How long have I been rambling for? 4 minutes, gosh. So I don't know, I think that I might, like, I'm still obviously finding my style, and I think my style is not the sitting down talking head videos, because I'm just like, I just feel it's not me. So I'm thinking I'm going to try and find some kind of new style where maybe I do like more videos outside in an empty field like this, so I can just talk freely, except when Farmer Jones comes, wherever he's gone. He was here before. Yeah, I might try and do like more vlog style videos and do like a tutorial. Yeah, I don't know. So talking off Eric Wen, part of the No Small creator movement thing, I don't know what we're calling it. Also, there's another YouTuber, Audrey Ember, who I found out they're actually friends, so that's cool. But both of them have like their own style, and especially with Audrey, she does a lot of like vlog style videos, but still that are informative and educational, so the audience can still take something away from them. Like, she does this series where she like learns how to vlog or learns how to make a video like other big YouTubers, and I think that's really cool the way she does that, and it's, you know, still educational for us. So I just need to find like my own style, my own identity, like Eric Wen was saying. Yeah, a lot of his videos resonated with me. Sorry, I've made some notes so I don't forget everything and ramble heaps. But yeah, loads of other people in the No Small Creator group movement thing just make like really good videos, and they show their personality, and you can tell that they love what they do. And like I said, I loved making those other videos too, but I'm thinking I might start making some videos just for the sake of making videos, because, you know, that's essentially why I started this in the first place, because I want to, I don't know, direct a movie and win an Oscar or whatever stuff I was saying before. I want to learn how to make videos. I want to, you know, make a film one day. And if I'm just making tutorials, it's good for you, it's good for me in a way, because it helps me to revise my information, my knowledge. Like, that's partly why I do it, but it's also partly because, you know, it's stuff that I think people want to see. I think it's stuff that people will watch, and essentially what I'm saying is it's like stuff that will get viewed and stuff that will get subscribers, and that's what I don't want to focus on. But at the same time, like, obviously the dream is to make YouTube a full-time job. I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, I don't ever want to make money from YouTube, because I think everybody would love that. So I just need to find a combination between making videos that people actually want to watch and making videos that I want to watch. And this is something that Sarah Dietschy, rhymes with peachy, said in one of her videos, like this one for me, one for you, or one for them, like one for the audience type of thing. So yeah, I think that was just a really long-winded way of saying I'm going to still make videos for you, but I'm also going to make videos for me for the sake of making videos and being creative. What else did I want to say? Also, in the videos, the talking head videos, you know, everyone's like, be concise, cut out your ums and ahs, don't say like, make eye contact with the camera. I don't even know where the heck I'm looking now. But sometimes I just kind of want to flap around, and I want to kind of gaze off into the distance to think about what I'm saying, and I want to keep the ums and ahs and the likes. How many times have I said like in this video? I don't know. That could be a competition. Comment below how many times I've said like. See, I've just said again there. But I think those things are what make us human. And when I see some videos that are like very well edited, very well produced, and the person is still speaking natural, but they've not once blinked, or they've not once said or anything like that, or gazed off, I feel like, wow, they're like a really, really professional presenter. But at the same time, we're human. Like, I don't know anybody who doesn't say like or all these things in real life. And if somebody was speaking so well, that's great, but I would feel like it's not natural, you know, it's not natural. It's not natural English. And also about the making eye contact with the lens. See, I'm flapping around now. Well, I physically cannot do that. I'm wearing sunglasses today because it helps to just hide the thing. I'm doing a bit of a Casey. I might start doing a Casey, just wear sunglasses all the time. Because if I take off my glasses, I have strabismus in this eye, so I literally cannot see straight. Right now, I am looking into the lens, and this left eye, or your right, my left, can look into the lens, but this eye just wanders off into the wilderness. So I literally physically cannot make eye contact with the camera. So if you have seen my videos before and think that I was reading something or gazing off, I'm not. Okay, I don't script my videos. Quite clearly, you can see that I have not scripted this one. I usually write a few bullet points and then try to, you know, address those points, and maybe I will write down like 1 or 2 sentences that I really, really want to nail. What has happened with this exposure? I'm so sorry. So, yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. This was a good one-take vlog. How long? 9-10 minutes. Oh my golly gosh. Okay, if anyone has watched all 10 minutes of it, leave a comment below, like, I don't know, bananas. Just write bananas if you're still watching this video. I don't expect anyone to, but if you have, then thank you. And yeah, just having a catch up, having a conversation. You know, people sometimes say, like, don't tell people what you're going to do, just do it. But I'm kind of telling you, but I'm also going to do it because I doubt anyone's watched this to find out what I'm going to do. And what I'm going to do is keep making tutorials, but I'm going to try and find my own style. Maybe come outside, do more videos outside in this field without the school noise. Probably by the time, I won't be in this field actually, maybe another video, but by the time you watch this video, it's now October 25th, maybe today, I don't know, 26th. But by the time you watch this video, I'll probably upload this in November because I've already got a few videos coming out. And by the time you watch this video, let me get to the point, I will hopefully be at home in Indonesia. Oh my gosh, because right now I'm in England and I'm absolutely freezing. I need to go home. I've not got my coat. But I'm in England where I'm from, but I live in Indonesia. I've lived in Indonesia for like 6 years, and hopefully I will be back in Indonesia by the time you watch this video, in my house with my dog. I can set up a proper studio. I'll be a lot more comfortable, less stressed. I'll be wearing a t-shirt. God, what am I talking about? I'm just going to stop talking, okay? Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, bananas, whatever I said. And if you want to follow my journey of becoming an Oscar-winning director, imagine if I did, though. If you want to follow my journey, teaching you whatever I learn. Some things I already know about. Social media is my, like, I don't want to say expertise, but I don't want to sound like a knob. But that's what I know about, and, you know, videography and stuff, I'm learning and teaching you what I learn. So yeah, subscribe if you want to. Oh my gosh, what's that cat doing? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.